do this. So a lot of people have asked me to like make smoothies and stuff, or like make smoothies and put my recipes on my blog and on my Instagram and Tumblr. So we thought a fun way to like start the channel or whatever would be to make some smoothies, and then you guys can see how I make them.
You can see how good smoothies are made and how...
He's never made a smoothie. I took to Tumblr and you guys have asked me so many questions over like the last couple of weeks and I haven't replied. So we chose a few and we popped them in here and we're going to be picking them out and answering them. Okay, so we've got protein powders, cacao powder, maca powder, frozen blueberries, frozen bananas, then normal bananas. These are dates.
Okay.
Coconut, shaved coconut, chia seeds, goji berries, macadamia nut butter, strawberries, and spinach.
Cool.
Oh, we're also using almond milk because your girl's lactose intolerant. But should we start with the question?
Yes.
Am I allowed to look?
Yeah.
Do you want to hold it?
You want me to hold the drawer?
Okay, so we're both answering them so you can get like different perspectives, yeah.
You get a one perspective and an unwanted perspective.
Okay, this is, do you have your drivers? Oh, I hate this question. And do you have a car? No, I do not have my drivers. I know I'm 20 years old and I don't have my drivers. And my learners has expired, so that's why I keep pushing my drivers aside because I need to now do my learners. And over here in Cape Town, I Uber, so I don't have a car.
But why need a car when you can Uber everywhere?
Yeah, I mean, you can ask Nick, I live like 5 minutes away from Varsity. But John, Nick, do you have a car and do you have a driver's license?
I do have a driver's license and a car. For a year now, I was driving put it lightly, piece of crap Volvo that me and my friends liked to call the WAG. Gabby had the honor of driving in it once or twice. But this year my brother's getting his license, so he's taken over that car, and now I have don't ask me the model, but a different Volvo, an automatic. I look like a complete mom in that car because Volvos are mom's cars, but I love it, and yeah.
It's a really nice car.
Yeah. Mine will have whatever you have and coconut powder, so...
No! What kind of smoothie do you feel like?
A berry one, so I'm going to
Okay, you're going to go for berries. I'm not doing berries, so it will be different.
How do you make a healthy lifestyle affordable, and where do you start?
Majority of, like the staples, so like gluten-free oats, chia seeds, all of that type of stuff. I get that from Wellness Warehouse and in Durban, because I know a lot of the people that ask me questions on Tumblr are based in Durban. In Durban, you can get those staples from Health on Broadway, Belio Cafe, Good Source in Hillcrest. Dis-Chem also stocks everything, so I get my nut butters there, I get everything, like egg replaces, all of that. And then the cheapest place to get your almond milk, and it's good almond milk and it froths well and it's good with the cappuccino, is from Spa, and it's this, it looks like this. Oh yeah, because what was the other part? There was something else in the question.
Where do you start?
Where do you start with being healthy? So I think like for me, what made me start on this whole like health kick is I can't eat a lot of foods, and a lot of people always say to me like, how are you so strict with yourself or whatever? And I think it's not so much being strict, but rather knowing that what I'm putting into my body isn't going to make me feel terrible at the end of the day, and my gut is so sensitive, so I basically just base it on what makes me feel good. And I think, yeah, just by starting out like following recipes and eating foods that make your body feel good, you'll immediately want to start eating more healthy because you thrive off that feeling of feeling good and feeling like you can take on your day, you know.
So like you said before as well, I think it's like you can't base your stuff off someone else. It's what you.
Oh,
is that cheap food or
yes,
is that
that is so true. So like I was saying to Nick, so many people are always asking me like, what do I do? What do I do? But at the same time, you have to kind of figure out what works for you and your body. I mean, we're all different. We're all made up of different DNAs, different blood types. Like, so much goes into it. So I think it's about figuring out what food makes you feel good by yourself, and yeah. Okay, this is a nice one for the Cape Townian. What can I do on holiday in Cape Town? Nick, you start, you tell us.
So, I spend my life at the waterfront, so I think the waterfront is a really good place to do that. CBD also has so many nice restaurants.
Yeah.
You can walk, like I stay in town and there's so many nice restaurants and stuff to do there. And Greenpoint Park, Seapoint Promenade, Camp Stay.
The beaches are the best.
Yeah, I've recently discovered Greenpoint Park.
Love it. It's so beautiful and so nice to go there. You can take a picnic blanket. Lots of nice restaurants. Like, I know one of mine and Nick's favorites for dinners, if you're going with your family, is like the Grand Africa at the waterfront. And Kloof Street House is also amazing. And then I just love Shaker's Raw. Breakfast, lunch places. Shaker's Raw, Nourished, Harvest Cafe, Primal Kitchen, Strangers Club, love.
Which is the one in Seapoint with the nice desserts?
Coco Safe.
That one.
I don't know if I say the name right, but that's nice for dinners as well.
You would like healthy and like good, stick to Gabby. If you would like solid, unhealthy, stick to me. Clark's. I can only think of Clark's Burgers now. Grand Africa Burgers again.
Loves burgers. Oh, Tasha's at the waterfront is the winner. Oh, Aranya's Market.
Yes, that is a must if you come here.
Put 1.5 bananas, a tablespoon of chia seeds, maca powder, a tablespoon of cacao powder, 3 dates, a tablespoon of the macadamia nut butter, and now I'm gonna blend this thing up. Oh, and I'm adding almond milk.
Do you know where I could get a white hoodie from?
Well, I'd say H&M. They have in the men's boys section though, for the girls who like oversized hoodies. I don't know, I love oversized hoodies, but they have really nice like plain ones at H&M. Okay, let me blend this.
That's delicious. God, you're in for a surprise of mine.
Oh, that is good.
Oof. Not only food and fitness related, what do you think over the last few years you have changed in your life to become happier?
Okay, next, word.
I don't know. I mean, I always judged people, like always saying like it's so dumb because like in high school, like obviously I was more self-conscious and like what. But really leaving high school honestly like just opens your eyes, and like even those people that are still in high school that are watching, like just make the most of it, like the best of it, like honestly live your life and like see yourself through your own eyes and no one else's, and I think that's really great. And also like, I know this could be lame, but coming to college I met some really amazing people and like they just made me feel better about myself rather than anyone else. So
I understand that. I think just knowing yourself, like Nick said, and sticking true to yourself, and don't do things that you don't enjoy, and like don't do things that you feel obligated to do. Like if you don't want to do something, don't do it, because nobody's going to be happy doing stuff that they don't want to really do or they don't feel like doing. Like, I don't know, if you want to go to the beach by yourself one day and take a book or just sit there and embrace like the environment, do that, you know. I think it's doing things more for you than anyone else.
And just like
okay, let's blend like smoothie.
I'm proud of myself. I achieved something.
I want you
learn
to
something
taste
new today.
Tell me if you like it.
But it is tiny.
It is very small, but it's fine. Here you go.
It's fine. I'm very happy with that. I like it.
Okay, I want to taste it.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it's good. What could I have done different?
No, I like it.
Okay, I put strawberries. I put peanut butter?
It's macadamia nut.
Macadamia nut butter. I put the goji berries, coconut, and then some almond milk. what fitness watch do you have? Would you recommend it for someone who is into fitness? So the reason I'm laughing, right, is Gabby is known for posting pictures of her fitness watch on her story. If it's not her, what is it? Granola or avotoast.
Shut up. I have a Fitbit Versa, and I do definitely recommend it for those who want to gain insight, not only fitness wise, but like it tracks your sleep and it tracks your heart rate, and yeah, it's just very insightful. Going in for you. This is my mom's homemade granola. Shout out to from home to you. Tell me when to stop.
Studying tips.
Wow. Okay. We just wrote a test yesterday.
Yeah.
I would say make notes that you understand. I color code mine.
Yeah.
And mine looks like a mess.
Yeah.
I have like clouds and drawings and color code, but I know that works for me because I remember it. And I make lots of like little rhymes and
Yeah.
abbreviations and stuff, whereas other people like typed out notes.
Yeah, I would just say I type out notes as I go through a lecture so that when some time comes, I have my notes.
Take notes in class, yeah.
Yeah.
Take notes in class, so when your test comes, you can like just add bits that you left out throughout the lecture or throughout class or whatever. So your notes are basically already made for you. I think that makes it a lot easier, and then it just like obviously reading through it and that gets into your brain.
So rage tips and prep.
Okay, so don't put a lot of pressure on it to be like a certain way. Just go with each day as it comes and just have fun, you know, be with your friends, because this is the last time you're all going to be together before you go off your separate ways. So don't make it this big thing. And often it doesn't work out or happen the way that you thought it would. So yeah, and then the next question is, what shampoo and conditioner do you use? I use Purple shampoo and conditioner. I don't know the brand offhand, but I will post a photo of that on my Tumblr because a lot of you guys have asked me.
If you guys are dyeing your hair blonde, you must listen to Gabby, because I had it blonde and my purple shampoo, I just used purple shampoo and it's stiff and it's gross. And Gabby told me the other day what was it? The treatment you have to use as well. Yeah. So there's that. My shampoo is very basic. What time do you usually wake up? And how do you start your mornings?
Stay tuned, because I've actually filmed a day in the life of me. But my body just wakes up always before 8. And I say that, but this week I've been feeling really tired and my body's actually been letting me sleep. And now I have afternoon lectures, so I just do what I want in the mornings. I can have slow mornings. If I want to wake up and maybe go to an early morning class, I'll do that, but I don't wake up at the crack of dawn. Whereas in winter, when we had morning classes, I was waking up at about 6 during the week just to go to gym and stuff before class, because I hate training in the afternoons. And I usually like to start my mornings with training, a green juice, a glass of water, and a cup of coffee, and then after training, if my training's early enough, I'll have a big filling breakfast with a matcha, and maybe watch my favorite YouTubers or get some work finished that I need to. But if I have like a later workout class like I did today, then I'll have breakfast before I work out if I have like an hour for my food to digest before I work out. Last question for the road.
Cool. Right.
Maybe we can wrap this thing up.
Okay. I'd love to hear about your fave smoothies.
That is such a coincidence. We did not plan that, I promise. Oh my gosh. Well, we just made some smoothies, and then another really good one is bananas green smoothie. Banana, coconut, spinach, dates, and maca powder. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah. That was Gabby's first YouTube video.